tried more than 100 makeup brushes, and these are the 10 which I absolutely love and I reach out for on a every single day basis. And some of these are starting from rupees 200. So I know we have like a different setup. Let me know if you're liking this. So these are not like 10, they are technically like 13 kind of like individual brushes, but if you just club it into the brands or the type that I'm talking, then it can come under 10. In no particular order, I would like to start the way we apply your foundation. Firstly is this new launch from Mars. This is the foundation brush. This is sold out, by the way. I just saw it on their website. It is for 299 rupees. If you don't like your foundation which looks very cakey, this brush is for you. Just have to take a little bit and just do this. I have applied this today on the TT foundation. When it's applied here, you can see how flawless my base is looking. It is super affordable. You can also buy a single piece of this and you do not have to buy a kit, which is amazing. By the way, I'm gonna leave links to all of the products in the tag product section, so if you want, you can just check it over there. Let's move on from brand to brand, shall we? This is from Stays. This is how the brush looks. Now it comes in a kit, but I found this the best. So what I did, I applied the foundation using this, like this, and then I used this brush to blend it in. You guys, this is so soft and it also does not absorb too much of your foundation, which is amazing. So this one from Stays actually comes in a kit, but I'm telling you guys, it is literally so good. The entire kit is for 1169. The kit is also good, but this brush literally stands out. Next up, for foundation brushes, if you don't want to buy the pack or if you want to buy just the single one, this one from Mars is also good. This is for 349 rupees. The hair is also not coming out, which is what I've seen. I think I've been using this for almost a year now, and just I love how it blends in. Trust me, paisa vasool hai ye. Next up, talking about foundation application, if I want to buy a beauty blender or pick a beauty blender, I'm gonna buy this. This is from Prosh. You can see from the halat of this, it slightly dampened it, so you can see the size of it is bigger. It kind of also goes like a little bit more bigger if you like dampen it. But yeah, you can use it. One of the best things is that आप इसको dry भी use कर सकते हो और wet भी use कर सकते हो, which is amazing. Most of the times I use it like a dry beauty blender only, and it blends in so beautifully. It is not too harsh. Trust me, you guys, like the best investment for your makeup application. The price of this is currently for 495 rupees, but I know that it is usually on sale on Nykaa, so keep an eye on that. But literally, agar best beauty blender bola jaye, for me it is this one. Let's talk about powder application. In powder application, I have seen this brush from Verified. This is the shade, this is the brush number 03. So this one is currently for 449 rupees. I love it. They have multiple ones of these, but I feel like this one is just the best. You just take a blush, just apply it just like that. Perfect. Love it. And also Verified blushes are very pigmented, so you need very little, so you can buy it in singles. I forgot to talk about this one concealer brush. Again, a newcomer which has knocked my socks off is this one. This is from Mars again. This is the shade brush number 09. This is how it looks. It has this angled applicator, जिससे आपका concealer application इतना easy and flawless हो जाता है. The price of this one is for 299 rupees. I love this for my concealer application. मेरे बाकी के भी concealer brushes है, but I feel like this is number one for me. Talking about a highlighter, you can apply highlighter, you can apply powder with this brush. You can also do your contour if you feel like. Is this brush from Pigment Play. This is for 336 rupees, you guys. यहाँ पे लिखा है कि it is a large highlighter brush, which again can like literally apply your highlighter really nicely. मैंने वो apply किया है, but I also love it. As you guys can see, like it is again slanted. So yeah, because it is slanted like this, it applies the powder beautifully, and that is what I applied for. I love it. Trust me, it's so freaking good. Another highlighter brush, if you don't want that bigger one, you can use this one from PAC. I love PAC as a brand. They have done such an amazing job. I think the most I've used highlighter mein is this brush, other than that one that I'm using for powder right now. But oh my god, this is the PAC Exara brush. Very good in quality. Literally, मैं इसे रोज use करती हूँ almost every single day, and it has not come off. The hairs are literally intact. amazing. This does come in a you can say a kit, but you can just buy, if you feel like, you can share it with your friends, divide the kit with friends, and you can take this brush. Another hack which I would like to tell you, how you can buy these brushes. I do not like applying eyeliner because I know I mess it up every single time, but this brush has literally saved me. This is from Verified. It is the dual-ended brush. एक side पे spoolie है, एक side पे you get this what do we say, like this angular brush. The angle of this brush specifically is so good that I am able to easily draw a wing liner so freaking easily. But yeah, this is the only brush I reach out to when I know that मुझे liner बनाना है. So I take this brush, I use a eyeshadow, draw the line, and then maybe go in with my liquid eyeliner. But yeah, this brush, you cannot get it in a individual basis. I just saw it. You get it in a eyeshadow set. So if you want, you can buy it in bulk, or as I told you, you can buy it with your friends and then take this brush for yourself and then divide it amongst your friends. The next set, which I absolutely again love, is from Cuffs and Lashes. They have sent me some more amazing brushes, but the ones that I've religiously used are these ones. Again, you get this combo for I think 1000 rupees on their website. Yeah, for 9 mein se I'm showing you that these are the ones that I've religiously used every single day. So this is the angled brush जिससे मैं eyeshadow को blend out करती हूँ. This is the packing brush through which I pack the shimmer eyeshadow on my eyes. This is the detailing brush, which can be again used for great detailing, which like I create my Halloween looks, uske liye I use this. And then I have this one. This is for your lower lashes. So what I do is basically take this and then apply it like this. Again, love the precision on this. You can also use this to apply your eyeliner, or again draw some very precise things for your inner corners. And again, lastly, this is what I use over here. But yeah, love these from Cuffs and Lashes. Their quality is also really great. Highly recommend you to check it out. अगर आप budget में हो, definitely check it out. It is a really amazing one. So those were the makeup tools / brushes which I would recommend you to use as a beginner, advanced, or even as a makeup artist. I have loved them for months and months now, and I would want you to check them out as well. Go ahead, click the tag product section to check the links of these products. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.